So today's video idea, I've basically been sharing trade signals for a lot of people for a long time, but today what I intend to do is basically depend on other people's signals and see if I can be able to even grow my account at all. You might as be aware that if you go on Telegram, there are like a lot of Telegram pages that share trade signals, right? So what we're going to do is randomly search for Forex communities and then see if we're going to be able to find any ones that have dropped some trade signals or people that are talking about any trade setups. Then I am just going to trade on them on my real trading account, right? So I'm not even going to use a demo account. I'm actually going to use a real account and then see how it turns out. Maybe we could make some few bucks, but nonetheless I'm going to be using very small lot sizes just because I can't be trusting everybody, just any random person at all with my money at all. So yeah, let's see how it goes, guys. You may be aware already that I have a lot of friends who are also very dominant in the Forex community in terms of having their own community as well. We have the likes of Joe Trader, we have Common Forex, and then we have BMO, right? So BMO also has a trade community. But I'm just going to scan through their channel to begin with, right, and see if they've dropped any trades at all, and then jump in. I mean, we may be a little bit late because it's quite getting almost to the afternoon, but we'll just see if it makes any much of a difference. Do you want me to place this trade on your account or I should use my account?
Use yours. Just in case.
Just in case what?
We are not coming to play with my money.
So we should play with mine.
Yes, please.
Okay. So this is Joe Trader's community. And then today, I think Joe is selling Aussie dollar, New Zealand dollar. Right, and I think it's been running for some time now. He sent this trade around 12 or so, and it's run over 20 pips already. Do you think it's prudent for me to just jump in?
Yeah, we can.
Anyway, let me first see his entry level, take profit, stop loss, and then see if it's something that I can still jump in if I'm not late already. So I think his stop loss, his entry was 1.0958, right? So Aussie dollar, New Zealand, his entry is 1.0958. Am I right? Then his stop loss is 5.3. I think it's 5.3. 1.0953. That's his entry. Then his stop loss is 1.0988. So as a stop loss 1.0988, and then where is his second take profit? 1.0852. 1.0852. All right, pretty much like a swing trade, right? It could also potentially pass for a day trade as well, right? It could potentially also pass for a day trade. Like we said, it's kind of moved 20 pips already, but with a new candle opening, it kind of pushed a little bit in the opposite direction. So it's still pretty much a trade we could jump in. Come to see. And then what kind of risk to reward is it? This is 1:2.8, right? Not bad. 1:2.8 risk to reward. So should I jump in on this trade?
Let's do this.
What lot size? I'm trading this on the $25,000 account. I should trade it on the $10,000 account or the $49,000.
The 10,000.
The 10,000?
Yeah. Or the 25,000.
I don't know.
Just do it on the 25,000.
I should do it on the 25,000.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna do it on the 25,000. That's it, guys. So you have the 25 here, and it's the Emperor of Blues account from XNES. You guys know that XNES remains my broker, recommended broker. Why? Because you can deposit, make profit, instantly withdraw, right? If you want to join XNES, there's a link in the description. Click on the link in the description to register with XNES and then have that easy deposit withdrawal means as well. So yeah, I'm still wondering with what lot size I should put on this trade. I'm gonna put 0.1. It's fair enough.
Small.
0.1 is fine. I'm gonna put 0.1. Guys, we don't want to risk a lot, so let's start with 0.1, right? So chat, This is it. We're already late on this trade, so if we were very late, it would have been fine. But I can put 0.1 here. So we're selling. Should I put a stop loss as well?
Yeah.
So the stop loss was what? The stop loss was so if you don't know how to place trades, then you're learning how to place trades on the market as well. This is instant execution. So stop loss is what? 1.0988, and then take profit is 1. We're taking the second take profit 1.0852. Then we're selling, right? So you click sell by market, done. Then we see it there. So I think you're not going to really see the whole stop loss unless I'm on the weekly time frame or so. I zoom out, then you can see. So the entry is here, stop loss above there, take profit all the way down there. But now let's come to the 4 hour. So yeah, we have that one trade running. We're already in profit, but we're still in a loss. Why do you think we're like this? Because we're still paying for spread charges. But once this one dips a little bit lower, then we should be in profit. Let's go scout some more while we leave this to run. Right, let's go scout some more and see how we can be able to profit from signals today. So come. Let's search for what do you think our search should be? Forex signals or what?
Yeah, Forex signals.
Forex signals. So we have what? Olymp signals. Let's try with which one? The Forex signal option tips.
Yeah.
Or let's try.
Oh, best Forex signal.
Okay, let's try with the best. These are just random channels, right, guys? Random channels. Let's see if they place any trade today. Best Forex signals. They didn't really place any trade today. It's just showing results of what. Let's try with the golden Forex signals. So golden Forex signals is saying buy gold now. They sent this trade just a few minutes ago. Buy gold now. So let's check with gold and see if
we are buying gold.
We are buying gold or not, right? But I'm not going to use my intuition here, though. I'm still just going to follow whatever they are saying. So this gold chart, though. Right? How many trade setups do you think we should take?
Like 5.
Okay, so buy gold. I wouldn't really buy gold at this point, but we're just following people's signals, so might as well just let's see their take profit, stop loss, and all that. So stop loss is what? 1941. 1941. The entry is what? They gave an entry range between 1947 1944. So let's see with gold. Let's say we're talking about 1944. Entry at 1944. But they're just using the whole number, which is very dangerous a little bit, because gold has huge pips movement. And then stop loss is what? 1941. Stop loss 1941, and then the take profit is what? Take profit is 1955. That's pretty much like a scalping thing going on here. So 30 pip stop loss, though, not bad. So pretty much like a scalp. I wonder what time frame they're using, but let's just get in on this trade. We're already running a little bit late, though. Let's get in on gold. Let's check for gold here. Where's gold? Let's check for gold. Gold. Okay, yeah, we have gold here. Saying we should buy gold, right?
Yeah.
With gold, what lot size should I put? Still 0.1?
0.01.
Gold is kind of expensive. I'm gonna put 0.05. Or we should just risk it for the biscuit. Let's risk it for the biscuit. Let's risk it for the biscuit.
You think?
Let's put on 10 lots. Okay, let me put on what? Let me put on
0.05 is cool.
0.05 is still cool.
Gold is
buying
okay.
gold, 0.05. Stop loss, they said what? Stop loss is what? 1941. So I'm just gonna set stop loss and leave the take profit open. So buy gold. We in, boys, we in. We're already in profit as well for gold. And then Aussie dollar. Ooh. Oh, we're making money.
Next.
And then next is what? Forex options. Forex signals options. And then Olymp Forex signals. Did also drop. We're still in profit though. We're still in some.
We are in profit.
Ooh, $3. Good. $4. And then what else? These people have no trades for us.
Yeah.
Let me check for other ones. Signals. How do you think we can make today? Maybe we should seek to make about $10 from the
Maybe.
signal.
$10 plus 5 signals. Let's say being wild, $500. $100 each.
$500.
Yeah.
$500. That's overly anticipation.
But why would you anticipate too?
Okay, we have other ones here. Let's see if these people give out any free signals. This is M15 signal. They say we should do it.
We should sell.
Euro Aussie dollar. So let's just check it for Euro Aussie dollar. Our trades are running pretty nice though.
Yes, you said $10. We're going past $10. We just
Euro Aussie dollar. I hope. What was it? Let's check for Euro Aussie dollar as well. What did they say we should do? Sell it. I don't think it's a good idea, but I don't want any trade to kind of take the little profit that we're making though. It's still running nicely.
It is.
So some signal channels are not bad after all, guys. Some signal channel. All you have to do is just use proper risk management so that at the end of the day you gotta verify the person's trade setup from what you already believe in. And to tell you the truth, all the trade setups that I was taking here, I didn't really have any distinctive bias or totally a different view from the direction of the market. So I've just been kind of cool with it though, right? And then they are running nicely. So you don't kind of expect that once you're taking trade signal from a particular group, they should be gods of the market and then be able to give you 100% accurate trades. But nonetheless, so far so good. Let's see if we can be able to work out something here as well. Oh, somebody sent me a message here. He says thank you. That's from my personal Telegram community. He says thank you, and I'm sure he passes my Forex fund challenge probably from yesterday's trade. Yesterday we were selling oil. I told you guys if you check our oil setup. Oil. Where's my trading view here? So guys, see, we're running a huge profit for the gold setup, right? Over $20 from free signals. No, I kind of like this one though. I'm pretty excited to know that we still have some pretty decent Forex communities out there that give out free content, free signals, just like I do all the time, but for proper value sake. And I'm pretty excited with this one though. So which one were we talking about again? I was just about showing you guys the oil setup that we took. I think we took oil here. Let's see if it's still in shape. So oil is not doing bad. You can see the risk reward two still there. We took this trade yesterday, and then the setup was pretty much of a simple one. I can't explain in the previous video though, but if you didn't watch that video, you may not necessarily understand it. But yeah, it's a pretty straightforward setup, and it's a swing trade. We're expecting some more push on the downside. You can clearly see from the way it's already reacting here that, like, you know, it has potential of like pushing further down. So we can expect this to, you know, trade all the way down somewhere somehow like that and make some pretty decent profit. This one alone here is about 500 pips. We're still running decent on the free signals, so we ended up just taking 2. Right.
You didn't get more?
I've been searching and I'm not really getting a community that's sending free trades, and I'm not really comfortable with this Euro Aussie dollar community placing trade here. Our objective is not to make losses though. Even though we're trying this out, our objective is still to make some profit, you know. And then, like I said, from a pro's angle, in the sense that even though my objective is to use free trades, I cannot just take those trades. I cannot unsee when a trade is not going to play out. You know, as much as I'm just being led to do this for the fun of it, when I see that no, this doesn't look like something that will play out, I cannot just blindly still go for it in taking those trades. So that's why I'm just advising you that even if you want to like end up using trade signals, you don't really want to just blindly just take the trade just because you want to take. Sometimes you use your own instinct to verify that, oh, this trade, it looks very legit, it can go down and so on, and then you take those trades. Do you agree with me or not?
I do.
Pretty much. So should we close this trades?
Should we?
Or we should hold it on till take profit, or what? It's kind of reducing. We're briefly running about $24.
And now it's 18.
19. I think it's commendable, you know. I think it's commendable.
It's doing well.
With a 0.1 and then 0.05 to make $20, it's commendable. So I just gotta like close this, guys, and be happy with and content with it, right? So if I put on perhaps like, let's say like a 1 lot or 2 lots, then we may have just wanted to hold this out a little bit, but with 0.1 and 0.05, it's just, you know, reasonable to keep this little profit and be thankful for the community members that gave us this trade for free, right? So I'm just closing. I'm closing them here, right? I'm just closing them. Booked profit, and it's from Joe. Shout out to Joe for giving us $1.50.
Yes. It was a late entry.
Yes, it was a late entry. Other than that, would have been running probably like some $5 or $10. So we closed it. Okay, done. Yeah, $17, $20, not bad. We added to it. Anyway, guys, if you love this content and then you want me to do more of this, you know, and then you can also shout out other community that you want me to, you know, perhaps sneak in and then take their trade signals. Click in the link in the description to join the KOJOFOREX Telegram community. Follow me on Instagram at KOJOFOREX. Make sure to subscribe to this channel and click on the bell icon so that you get notified anytime I post a video. Without wasting much time, I hope you guys enjoy this very casual but sweet and exciting content. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.